Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, may I know your name?
Yes, sir. Good day, Madam Anne Esperanza Pilla, 25 years of age, married with 2 children. I want to go in Hong Kong to earn money and for the financial support of my family, especially for the education of my children. I am honest and hardworking, caring and loving, and willing to work with you.
Okay, in case you work in Hong Kong, who take care of your 2 children?
My husband and my mother-in-law.
How can you solve your homesick?
I always remember that I want to go in Hong Kong for my family, for the financially support, and for the future of my children.
Okay, your mother, you know how to take care of the newborn baby.
Yes, sir.
How do you know the baby is sick?
When the baby is sick, when he has in no condition, and when the baby keep on crying.
Okay, when you learn that the baby is sick, what you will do?
First, I will check her body temperature, and then I call my employer. I tell him that the baby is sick, so that he told me for what did I do.
Okay, when you did something wrong or some mistake in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
Pardon, sir?
When you did something wrong, some mistake in the house, the employer angry with you and shout with you.
I tell my employer for what did I wrong with them, then I apologize him for what did I wrong.
Okay, you know marketing?
Yes, sir.
If the employer give you money to buy some food, how can you manage the money?
First, I will ask my employer for what did I buy, then I list all the items, and then yes, that's all, sir.
How do you know the fish is fresh?
When the gills is red.
Okay, in case you're cooking in the kitchen,
Yes, sir.
suddenly your mom call your name and want you to go outside, what you will do?
I will turn off the gas stove, and then I will come to my employer.
That's right. How can you maintain the good relationships with your employer?
I will maintain the good relationship for my employer. I always communicate with them, and be patient with them, and be honest.
Okay, any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I hope you choose me as your helper. I am honest, kind, hardworking, and willing to work with you. I hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.